Meaning of desk clerk.
Desk clerk.
Desk clerk.
Desk clerk.
Desk clerk. A desk clerk is an individual who typically works at a front desk or reception area, welcoming visitors, guests, or customers. They are responsible for performing basic administrative and clerical tasks, such as filing, answering phones, scheduling appointments, and greeting people. Desk clerks may also assist with check-in and check-out procedures for hotels or other similar establishments. They play an important role in ensuring that visitors have a positive first impression of the company or establishment they represent.